Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Zerion Wallet. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Zerion Wallet account and sign into your account and look for the settings, then you will not be able to find the delete account option. So in order to proceed with deleting your account, you will need to delete the user data for the Zerion application to permanently log out, and then you can simply delete your seed, which will allow you to reset your account. So in order to do this, long press on the Zerion application and then tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the Zerion application settings page. Now from this page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first and then tap on OK to stop the app. Then just scroll down and tap on storage. From the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button. Once you delete your user data, you can open up the Zerion application and you will be asked to sign into your account once again. Now if you remove or delete your seed and the key that is used to regain access into your account, then you will not be able to access your account anymore. So this will also be like deleting your account. So go ahead and delete your seed key and then your account will be deleted as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Zerion Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.